Hey guys, welcome to Dell Stack, and this is how to fix Google Chrome not updating in Play Store. So, what you could try to do, the first practical tip that I could give you is simply restart your device. So, a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Now, another option is free up storage space. So sometimes if your device has a lot of applications, videos and pictures, so delete some applications and from here you can just simply uninstall them and free up at least 1 gigabyte of free storage. Now, if it doesn't work still and you could just simply go ahead and hold the Google Play Store into your device and you will have an option over here, app info, tap on it. Now over here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, storage. And now you can just simply tap on clear cache and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And this way it will reset the app. And from here, mostly this can fix your issue once you have tried to open the Google Play Store and update the Google Chrome again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.